just arrived at Highgrove's bathrooms. The builder's been in contact. We need some cabinets for the bathrooms. I'm going to have the one in the ensuite recessed in, so he needs those today before they sheet the bathrooms. The gyprock has been in. We've got ceilings. What else? We did a bit more painting around the architraves and things like that yesterday. And yeah, let's go in and see what they've got in here. But the drawers are kind of teeny tiny. Like, there's my hand. What a morning. I've been to a few different vanity or bathroom places. Ended up back at my favourites, which is Eagles. The staff there were great. So now I have the shaving cabinet on board and I've got a bit of a discount, so $287, but bring it on. Let's get it back to the builder. Just got back today. I like that you can see the niche of the bathroom from the living area, because that'll be a cavity slider, so it'll be open all the time, so it'll be a bit of a feature. There's one there, another one going in over there. Notice the builder's got a bit bored today, so they've drawn a snake. Okie dokie. We go into the toilet area. I've started sheet now that. Gyprock has been in today and started filling up all the old ceiling holes, ready to be reset so we can put the new LED downlights in. Reset that. The builder went through there years ago and it was never patched up properly. Yesterday Trace and I took the mirrors off the wardrobe, ready to start tidying that up. Oh, there's another niche. Trades in at the house today. Lovely. That door, that's going to have a barn door put on it. All the old lighting's been refilled. Set. Kitchen's nearly ready. The kitchen in. That's a bit different.
How you do?
Well, it's been absolutely crazy. Moving house, renovating house, keeping the RV on the road, living at the daughter's, it's all happening. So today I've been cleaning the house we're moving from. Massive job. I'll be glad when it's completely over. Thought I'd do a final walkthrough. We had all cabinetry up here on the wall. It's all been taken down, the holes have been filled, and my painter Tracy has been in and fixed them. They come up lovely. Floors haven't come up too bad. So doing the windows, cleaning the rails and getting all the dead insects out, and I can't believe we lived in it. It's embarrassing. So they normally close up, they look nice closed at night time, but when you open them you get a view of a nice big backyard. So shiny floors, laundry pretty much empty, cleaned the windows today. Kitchen, painter's still staying here tonight, and then we'll get rid of the rest of that stuff. That's just the clear stuff we've been using to clean. I'll get rid of the rest of that tomorrow. But hopefully we're already just about ready. Back to the long hallway. My office hasn't been this empty in a very long time. So we're leaving a beautiful home. Beautiful established home, and let's hope the renovation goes well and we'll be back in there in, I don't know, maybe 2-3 months. So my tip after doing all of this is, if you're going to be moving house, start packing months before you go, like cleaning out drawers, wiping out drawers. Like we did all that and it was still a massive job, absolutely massive job. You know, I was saying that we'll probably move in about 5 or 10 years up to Hervey Bay or something like that, but after this last couple of weeks, I don't know, I might be a forever home. Either that or I'll be selling everything off and buying again new when we get up there. But and another tip, don't hoard stuff. Don't keep stuff that you don't use. Like seriously, I'm gonna have to go back to the other house and I'm gonna have to cull again. Like I've culled about 3 times already, but I'm gonna have to be ruthless because the other house is just chock-a-block full. It's ridiculous. So yeah, signing out from an absolutely massive week. One more massive week to go, and I think I'll have a little break the week after before I get into painting and stuff again. So yeah, signing off. Stay well, bye-bye. I forgot to show the kitchen all clean. I mean, it's a fabulous kitchen. I've even got the stone backsplashes and it's all neutral, so it sort of never really went out of date. It's probably getting quite on. But the Polytech and everything on it was starting to come off. But since I've been doing my renovations, I've learnt that we can probably peel that off and take it to Polytech and have it recovered again. That would be the trick. Because really, there's nothing wrong with it. Right? Is it? First coat.